This 2025 KZ Connect 241RLK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 28 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, refrigerator, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, oven, slide-out, external shower, stovetop burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 KZ Connect 241RLK is 6,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.